Hello kids, a very good morning to you all and welcome to this new learning session. I hope you all are good and completing your work on time. Kids, when we go to a park, we see a lot of greenery around the garden, right? This greenery around us is because of plants. Kids, do you know plants are our green friends? They are all around us. They keep the air fresh and clean. And they make the surrounding beautiful and make us feel better. They also give us different food items such as fruits and vegetables. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants are big and tall, some are short and small, and some plants are very small, and together they make plant kingdom. Just like us, plants also grow and need air to breathe. We are interdependent on each other, which means we cannot live without plants. Nor do the plants can live without us. We give carbon dioxide to plants and plants give us oxygen to breathe. Therefore, plants need us to grow and we need plants to live. Now, let's learn about the different parts of a plant. Just like us, plant also has different body parts. Each part has its own function. Look at the picture. Plant is divided into two main parts. They are the root system and the shoot system. Root system. The bottom part that is under the soil is called root system. Look here kids. These are the roots. They grow under the soil. Roots help the plants to stand firmly into the ground. It also helps to absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Shoot system. The parts that are above the soil are called shoot system. In the shoot system, we have stem, leaf, branch, flower, and fruit. Stem. Stem provides support and helps the plant to stand upright. It also carries water and nutrients to different parts of the plant. Leaf. Leaf is green in color. Do you know kids? Leaves are also called as kitchen of the plant. Leaves make food for the plant in presence of sunlight. So it helps the plant to grow healthier. Leaves can be of different shapes and sizes. Branch. It is a part that grows from the stem. It helps to hold the leaves, flowers, and fruits. Flowers. It is the most beautiful part of a plant. The flowers produce seeds of the fruits. Now, let's talk about fruit. Fruit is the most tasty part of a plant. Many flowers grow into yummy fruits, which we eat. It has seeds inside. Some fruits have one seed, some have two, and some fruits have many seeds that grow into new plant. I'm sure you love eating fruits, right? So children, what are the different parts of a plant? Yes. Root, stem, leaf, branch, flower, and fruit. Now, let's see what do plants need to grow. Plants need 4 things to grow. Water. Kids, just like us, plants also need water to grow. They absorb water through their roots. Then the water travels through stem into the other parts of the plant. Sunlight. Plants need sunlight for energy. Now, soil. Soil provides the roots with nutrients which can transport to the rest of the plant. And lastly, air. Plants also need air to breathe. So these are the 4 things that plants need to grow and live. Now let's see how do the plants grow. The plants grow from seeds. First of all, a seed gets planted into the soil. To grow, a seed needs 4 main sources, and they are water, air, sunlight and soil. The first sign of the growth is the tiny root which comes out of the seed. Slowly, the shoot also starts growing upwards. Soon we see a baby plant grows with tiny leaves. This process of growth from a seed to a plant is called germination. So children, this is how the plants grow. Children, in order to learn different parts of a plant, let's try to sing a song which is called Parts of a Plant Song. Okay? So sing with me. The roots on a plant grow underground, underground, underground. The roots on a plant grow underground. Roots are the part of a plant. The stems on a plant hold up the leaves, up the leaves, up the leaves. The stems on a plant hold up the leaves. Stems are the parts of the plant. The leaves on a plant are making food, making food, making food. The leaves on a plant are making food. Leaves are the part of a plant. The fruits on a plant are sweet and tasty, sweet and tasty, sweet and tasty. The fruits on a plant are sweet and tasty. Fruits are the part of a plant. The flowers on a plant are growing seeds, growing seeds, growing seeds. The flowers on a plant are growing seeds. Seeds are the part of a plant. These are the parts of a plant. These are the parts of a plant. I hope kids that now you have understood about different parts of plants. Now it's time for some homework. So children, you have to unscramble the letters to name different parts of a plant, and you have to mention the function of each part of a plant. Okay? So you have to do this work in your EVS notebook. And that's all for today. Thank you.